Welcome students to my channel BioWorld. Today again with a new chapter of class 10 ICSE. The name of the chapter is Chemical Coordination in Plants, that deals with the growth regulators, that is the plant hormones, their types, their function in plants, how they help the plants to grow and develop. Along with the growth regulators, there are some growth inhibitors also which hinders the growth of the plant. We are going to study about them in this particular chapter. Then we have, after the plant hormones discussion, we'll go through some functional physiological movement, that is tropism in plant, which is also known as tropic movement. There are different categories of tropic movement given in the syllabus along with the example. Starting with the growth regulator, we need to know what are they. So growth regulators of plants are the chemical coordinators that affect the growth of plants. Means it helps in the growth and development of the plant. Secondly, plant growth regulators are small but simple molecules of chemical composition, and they are manufactured by the living protoplasm of the plant itself. So they are small but simple. They are not so complicated or complex structure. They are also called plant hormones, or we can name them phytohormones. They are categorized in two categories. Group A deals with growth promoting hormones that promotes growth, and group B that deals with growth inhibiting hormones that hinders the growth of the plant and have an adverse effect on the plant. So what are they? Under plant hormones category A, that is group A, growth regulators, there are respectively auxin, number 1, number 2, cytokinin, number 3, gibberellin or gibberellins. Now these three hormones are categorized under growth regulators. And growth inhibitors, there are two of them. One is ethylene and number 2 is abscisic acid. So they are in group B, that is category 2, which are categorized as growth inhibitor that retards the growth and development of the plant. So we will be continuing with each of the hormones and their properties and functions respectively, starting from the auxin itself. So starting with the auxin, the first growth regulator. It is also known as powerful growth stimulant, and the chemical name of the natural auxin is IAA. The full form is indole 3-acetic acid. That's the chemical composition and chemical name of the natural auxin. Where is this hormone produced? Site of production of this hormone is shoot apex, root apex, lateral meristem. As we know, meristematic tissues, they are continuously growing tissue. They do not stop. So whatever the apical region of the plant, whether it's the stem, root, or the lateral one, the middle one, where is the cambium located, all of them, the part which goes through rapid growth is the part where this hormone, the production of this hormone is. And the function of this hormone, it's promoting growth by cell elongation, not by cell division. Mind you, children, you have to note this down. So the growth of the plant is by cell elongation. Secondly, it delays leaf senescence. What is senescence? Senescence is falling of the leaves, the aging of the leaves or the plant. So it prevents them to fall off. Thirdly, promotes apical dominance. Now what is apical dominance? So where the growth of the apical buds are noted by the suppression of the lateral bud. That is, it's a kind of phenomena or the process where we see that lateral buds growth is suppressed by the apical buds. due to the secretion or the production of these hormones. They do not allow the growth of the lateral bursts. That phenomenon is called apical dominance. It also helps in parthenocarpy. Now, what is parthenocarpy? Parthenocarpy is again a process, or we can say it's a process where the development of the fruits without fertilization. So it do not undergo fertilization process, but directly the fruit develops from the flower. What are the example of some of the parthenocarpic fruits? They are apples, tomatoes, bananas. There are many others. So we understood that auxin is a growth regulator, helping in development of the plant by cell elongation, and suppresses the growth of the lateral bursts and also falling of the leaves, that is senescence of the leaves, abscission of the leaves, we can say, helps in apical dominance, helps in parthenocarpy. These are the some properties or functions of them. In the next following video, we will be coming with the other growth regulators that are cytokinin and gibberellin respectively. Thank you for watching.